got me fully crying about leaving Louis. Louis. I don't know. T-minus, like, I guess you could say like 48 hours? I don't even know why I'm so excited. I'm just so tired of driving. And yeah, I'm just really excited. This is the state of my bedroom. Some stuff packed up, but yeah, it's bad.
Like when you flip it, it was like, hey guys, it's me. Ah, hey guys, it's me. Mine's so little, does it is it taller?
What?
Is that the height?
Yeah, that's all it is.
It's not, that's 2 feet tall.
She's a city girl. Yeah. Obviously, I am not where I used to be. I am now in Toronto. Time has flown by. It's now September 14th. It's now September 14th. And yeah, a few months have flown by and I am in Toronto again. I have a new like internship. I'm still working at my other job. I'm finding like new freelance clients. And honestly, I have to give shout outs to that affirmation that's all over TikTok, because damn sis, she really changed my life. I guess I'll do like a kind of a tour, but I don't really want to do like a full tour. Piles of stuff kind of all over the place. It's just a mess, not the cleanest. My mask is there. Little preview of the kitchen. I might hold off on the full reveal of like the room just because it's not exactly how I want it to be, but that's kind of that view. This is my bedroom. This is a sublease, so it's not my full apartment, but damn, I wish it was. All the furniture is obviously hers, and yeah, I'm really happy. She's like so clean and she's really nice. So shout outs to my subleaser who's letting me stay at her house. And hopefully I can like get an apartment in this building. Honestly, I'm really excited to try out this area. I've never lived in this area before. I'm like obsessed with the unit. It's really big. It's like really well built. There's really cool parts. I'll show you guys tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna unpack my clothes now. I've kind of unpacked everything else, but it's just the clothes that are the bitch to do. So why don't I just set you guys up? Hello, vlog. I just don't want all the lights on. I want like the mood lights on. This apartment was like built for like YouTube. It's crazy. Like this is just a shelf just in the kitchen. It's so great. Sorry, I keep looking up at that viewfinder. I'm doing it right now. So sorry about that. But yeah, I just got home pretty much. I went to my internship today. It was really fun. And I left like at 5:30 and I called my friend Alex and we caught up a little bit, and then while I was waiting to go up the elevator I ran into another friend and I went and saw his apartment and talked to him for like a bit on his rooftop. And then I had to go grocery shopping. You can't see it, it's all on the floor because I have no food. So, and my hair is up because it's disgusting and I feel so dirty. I have like so many pimples going on. My skin is not great. It's just been a lot of stress. I also want to do like a fake tan sesh tonight. I just feel a little too pale. I like to be like a nice color. I don't like spend any time outside. So I'm like always, oh, speaking of, I would love to go outside right now, but I just like need to get in the groove. I'm tired. I want to like chill tonight. I'm so excited. But yeah, I thought I would do a little unboxing maybe, little haul. Okay. Loblaws haul really quick. I got sweet chili heat Doritos, impulse buy. Delish. Also, an impulse buy. Coconut yogurt. It's divine. Eggs. Dark chocolate because milk chocolate, oh, it's upside down. Because milk chocolate, I can't stop eating. Kale, because I want to make maybe like a kale salad for work tomorrow. Watermelon. 2 kiwis. 3 peaches. Perrier. Bought some like nice bread so I could do avocado toast. Milk. Bananas. Fries. Garlic, onion, tomatoes. Pepper. This like crab, fake crab meat. I don't know. It's pretty good. Mushrooms. My favorite creamer. That's the grocery haul. Okay.